those who deny the Almighty, those who ignore God, especially when they set the Almighty aside and say, let's see, in the realm of thought, when they start thinking secularly, their new God is now Satan. And whoever turns away from the remembrance of the merciful, we appoint for him a devil. If someone endeavors to ignore the merciful, the Almighty says promptly, without delay, we appoint for him a devil. We promptly associate a devil with him, without any hesitation. In his particular situation, a devil is assigned to him, so he has a companion. And at this very moment, his companion, his belly buddy, is currently with him. Since you did not appreciate God's mercy, the Almighty's blessings, Allah's guidance, the path He has opened for you, being born with His mercy, living with His mercy, and reaching His infinite mercy, you want to depart from the straight path. You want to chart a new course for yourself. Here you hope for eternity. You want to focus your dreams and expectations here. Supposedly the secular worlds are very vast, yet very shallow. You want to thrive there. Then, the Almighty is sending you a guide who will help you navigate through the challenges and stay on the right path, guiding you towards His boundless mercy and eternal salvation, ensuring your ultimate success and fulfillment. And whoever turns away from the remembrance of the merciful, we appoint for him a devil, and he is to him a companion. Therefore, turning away opens the way for the influence of Satan on the person. The Satan began to dominate them. The Almighty allowing Satan to take control over them, to possess them, to start making them do whatever he says, is a process that this servant voluntarily falls into, voluntarily enters, and can exit at any desired moment. Whenever he decides enough, saying, no, I want to go back to my Lord, at that moment God, the exalted and the majestic, awaits him there, and it is like this throughout his life, until the definite outcome emerges, where death decisively concludes the good as good and the evil as evil in a conclusive and unequivocal manner, leaving no room for doubt or ambiguity in determining the true nature of each. None of you thought that if you stayed for another 5 years, maybe the others wouldn't come. Because death ultimately comes for a person when they are resolutely determined and cannot be escaped. Think of it like a graph. The graph goes up and down. There are many oscillations throughout life, but eventually reaches stability at some point. No matter how far you advance it until its time, it doesn't change. The outcome always remains consistent. Whatever you do here, you will eventually leave the laboratory, because now you are changing the parameter, but the result remains the same. Result means decisive. This process in the laboratory is now completed. A person's life is also like this. The Almighty tests us in our lives through many parameters to see if we are respectful towards Him or not. No matter which parameter He tests, the expected response is respectful. It is either positive or disrespectful. A person can be respectful at times and disrespectful at other times in their life. But as he nears the end, having now firmly established respect, hence being one of the good ones, and it is evident that even if he were to live another 1,000,000 years, he would always be respectful, death comes.